Robots are learning to move like humans. Genius-level talent is emerging earlier than ever. AI systems are becoming more transparent, yet more complex. Brands are testing the limits of automation, and the entire AI economy is balancing on hardware that ages too fast. The breakthroughs are extraordinary, but so are the risks. This is the decade where we must innovate boldly, but also responsibly, because the future is arriving quickly and it will reward those who understand not just the technology, but the impact behind it. Welcome to Top 5 in 5, your weekly dose of the hottest AI updates, served in under 5 minutes. Ready to dive in? First up, humanoid robots just took a massive leap forward. In 2023, Figure's humanoid robot could barely walk, stiff, careful, and constantly trying not to fall. But in 2025, the same robot is running confidently, swinging its arms naturally, balancing in real time, and moving like a coordinated body instead of a collection of motors. This isn't pre-programmed choreography anymore. It's real-time decision-making powered by huge advances in sensors, control systems, and onboard intelligence. The side-by-side comparison doesn't show improvement, as it shows acceleration. What felt experimental in 2023 already feels practical today, and the speed of progress is almost unsettling. Just imagine where humanoids will be in another 2 years. Next, meet the 15-year-old, redefining what's possible. Laurent Simons from Belgium has just completed a PhD in quantum physics at the University of Antwerp, making him one of the youngest people in history to achieve this milestone. His academic path is surreal. Finished high school at 8, earned a physics degree at 12, completed a PhD at 15, and has already started a second doctorate in medical science with a focus on AI in healthcare. His research crosses physics, chemistry, medicine, and artificial intelligence, areas most researchers reach only after decades of work. Laurent's stated mission is to understand the human body deeply enough to extend human life, including biological regeneration. At 15, he's not just talented, he's shaping fields that define our future. Moving on, here's a rare look inside how AI actually works. Most people use AI every day without ever seeing the mechanics behind it. A recent visualization reveals a simplified neural network from the inside out, showing how tiny connections between artificial neurons form layered structures that strengthen or weaken as the system learns. Information enters from one side, flows through multiple layers, and becomes progressively more refined as patterns solidify and noise fades. This architecture powers everything from ChatGPT to speech recognition, robotics, and image generation. It doesn't operate like a human brain. It processes patterns at massive scale with relentless consistency. When you see it visually, AI becomes less mysterious and more understandable, which is key for anyone who wants to use it well. Next, McDonald's just faced a surprising backlash for its fully AI-generated Christmas ad. The ad aired in the Netherlands and immediately sparked criticism. Viewers said it felt cold, unfinished, and lacked real Christmas emotion. Some called the visuals awkward and unnatural, pointing out details that seemed off, especially for a brand with McDonald's global presence. The studio defended their work, saying, "AI didn't make this film, we did," emphasizing how much human effort went into prompting and polishing each frame. But the public didn't accept it. The ad was ultimately taken down, following a similar controversy Coca-Cola faced with its own AI-produced holiday campaign. It's a reminder that while AI can assist creativity, it can't replace the warmth and authenticity people expect during emotionally charged seasons. And finally, AI has a $400 billion problem. Chips are becoming obsolete too fast. The tech industry spent nearly $400 billion this year on specialized AI chips and data centers, but analysts are warning that the math may not add up. AI chips are wearing out and becoming outdated far faster than expected, often in just 2 to 3 years. NVIDIA's release cycle is accelerating so quickly that older chips lose up to 90% of their value within a few years, and failure rates are climbing as the systems run hotter and harder than ever before. Investor Michael Burry has already called the situation a fraud, pointing to unrealistic assumptions about chip lifespan. If companies are forced to update depreciation timelines, profits could collapse overnight, was especially for debt-heavy AI specialists racing to stay competitive. This isn't just a hardware refresh problem, it's a financial time bomb. My take overall, we're entering a moment where progress is outrunning our expectations. And that's a wrap. Hit subscribe for weekly updates and stay one step ahead in the world of AI. And stay tuned.